With Chromatic, we allow the option to integrate with Figma. You can integrate Storybook on the Figma side. You can also integrate Figma inside of Chromatic itself. And this really promotes the ability to reduce that feedback loop between designers, engineers, and other stakeholders. So within Figma, we have our component layer. I've selected it and I can go to plugins and click on Storybook Connect. Now, the Storybook Connect will allow me to link a story to the design. Now, the story itself will be within the hosted storybook that Chromatic provides, and you can grab that link for the specific story and come into here into Figma and link that story. And we recommend that so you can structure by default the URL has a specific like randomized ID here within the structure, and we recommend that you add the main or master develop whatever your base default branch is, followed by the app ID for your project in Chromatic, because this is the source of truth for your design versus creating a adding it to a feature branch that might not be consistent. And so then that will allow designers to be able to view the story in a complete iframe and allow them to change themes and different sizes and viewports all within Figma and see the current spec for the code in comparison to the design. Now, on the Chromatic side, we have, if you're in a Chromatic project, you can go to your library. And within the library, there is a list of stories, and then you can click on a story. And if you connect Figma, there will be a designs tab. Now, for that designs tab, if you link a specific design to this story, you can now have anyone in your team visit here and look at the CSS properties, the width and height, the content, and see all of the specs of the design right within Chromatic. Now, this is great, especially if you don't want to give all your dev seats in Figma and you just want to have someone that has access and link the designs here in Chromatic. Another benefit is that these designs will update dynamically as the designs are changed within Figma. So you'll want to make sure that you link to the correct section. You can do that by clicking on the item, going to copy, paste as, and then copy link to selection. And that when anytime that design changes, it will update within Chromatic.